In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with video number 15. This is your English class. Today we will do item number 10, page number 24 and 25 of book, and page number 14 and 15 of workbook. Okay, students, look at page number 24 of book. You can see on the screen page number 24. This is book item number 10. There are question, answers, and only you will write answer yes it is and no it is not. There are two options. Okay, suppose if there is like picture you can see here like sweet. If it is a sweet, then write yes it is, and if there is no sweet, then write no it is not. Answers are given top of the page. Okay, let's start. First I will read, then I will explain. Listen to me. Page number 24, number 1. Look at picture number 1. And there are 3 questions in front of this picture. Is it an apple? No, it is not. Is it an orange? No, it is not. Is it a sweet? Yes, it is. Now number 2. There is ice cream. Is it a sweet? No, it is not. Is it a cake? No, it is not. Is it an ice cream? Yes, it is. Look at number 3. Picture of teapot. You can see here. What is this? Teapot. Now there are 3 questions. Is it a bowl? No, it is not. Is it a cup? No, it is not. Is it a teapot? Yes, it is. Now look at picture number 4. Lamp. Is it a teapot? No, it is not. Is it a saucer? No, it is not. Is it a lamp? Yes, it is. Now number 5. Is he a teacher? No, he is not. Is he a postman? No, he is not. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. Number 6. You can see here, teacher. Is she a policeman? No, she is not. Is she a girl? No, she is not. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Okay. Now students, read with me. Number 1. It is an apple. No, it is not. Is it an orange? No, it is not. Is it a sweet? Yes, it is. Now number 2. What is this? Ice cream. You can see here picture of ice cream. Now there are 3 questions about this ice cream. Is it a sweet? No, it is not. Is it a cake? No, it is not. Is it an ice cream? Yes, it is. Number 3. What is this? Teapot. You can see here. What is this? Teapot. Now, is it a bowl? No, it is not. Is it a cup? No, it is not. Is it a teapot? Yes, it is. Now number 4, lamp. Is it a teapot? No, it is not. Is it a saucer? No, it is not. Is it a lamp? Yes, it is. Number 5. Is he a teacher? No, he is not. Is he a postman? No, he is not. Is he a policeman? Yes, he is. Now number 6. Is she a policeman? No, she is not. Is she a girl? No, she is not. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Okay, students. Now I will explain. Here are all questions. You can see here there are 3 types of questions related to one picture. But answer is only, there are 2 options for answers. If there is picture, this question is about this picture. Is it, like, look at number 1. Is it an apple? Now you can see here in this picture, what is this? Is it an apple? No. What is this? It is a sweet. So what you will write? You will write its answer. No, it is not. Okay. Now second question. Second question, is it an orange? Now you can see here. Is it an orange? No. Then again you will write, no, it is not. Is it a sweet? Now you can see here. What is this? Is it a sweet? Yes. Then you will write, yes, it is. Okay. Then only there are 2 options. You will write, no, it is not. Yes, it is. If there is same picture, then write, yes, it is. And if there is different picture, not same picture, then write, no, it is not. Okay. Now number 2. Is it a sweet? You can see here number 2. Is it a sweet? No. What is this? It is an ice cream. This question is only about this picture, not this sweet. Okay. So just look at number 2, not 1, because number 1 here is sweet, and this question is in second box. So this is about this picture. Okay. Is it a sweet? No, it is not. Is it a cake? This one. Is it a cake? No, it is not. Is it an ice cream? Yes, this one, number 2. Is it an ice cream? Yes. So you will write, yes, it is. Okay. Now number 3. What is this? It is a teapot. Okay. Now question is it a ball? Now you can see here, what is this? Is it a ball? No, it is not. Is it a cup? This is a cup? No. So you will write, no, it is not. Is it a teapot? You can see here, what is this? Is it a teapot? Yes. So you will write, yes, it is. Okay. Now number 4. Is it a teapot? This one. No. What is this? It is a lamp. Just look at number 4 picture. Okay. Because teapot also you can see, but this question is only about this picture. Okay. Is it a teapot? No, it is not. Is it a saucer? You can see here. What is this? Lamp. No. So you will write, no, it is not. Is it a lamp? This one? Yes, this is a lamp. So you will write, yes, it is. Number 5. You can see here. He is a policeman. So question is he a teacher? No, he is not. Is he a postman? This one? No, he is not. Is he a policeman? This one, this man. Yes, you can see here. He is a policeman. Then you will write, yes, he is. Okay. Now number 6. Look at this girl. She is a teacher. Now question is she a policeman? No, she is not. Is she a girl? No, she is not. Is she a teacher? Now you can see here. So, yes, she is a teacher, and then you will write, yes, she is. Understand? Now page number 25. Same item number 10, but here is question like, are you a boy? First listen, I will read, then I will explain. Okay. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you a boy? No, I am not. Are you a girl? Yes, I am. Are you Sarahan? No, I am not. Are you Zaib? Yes, I am. Okay, now read with me. Are you a boy? No, I am not. Are you a girl? Yes, I am. Are you Sarahan? No, I am not. Are you Zaib? Yes, I am. Okay. Now, same like page number 24, but here you can see here boy and girl. Both are talking, and boy is asking from her, who are you? Are you a girl? Are you a Sarahan? Like this. But answer is, there are two options. She will say, or you will write, yes, I am, and no, I am not. Okay. Like he is asking this boy from this girl, are you a boy? She is saying, no, I am not, because she is a girl. Again, he is saying, this boy asking from her, are you a girl? And this girl, she is saying, yes, I am, because she is a girl. She should say yes. Now, number 3. Are you Sarahan? This boy asking from her. She say, no, I am not. Because she is not Sarahan and she is saying, no, I am not. Then again, he is asking from her, this boy, are you Zev? And she is saying, yes, I am, because she is Zev. And her name is Zev. Okay? So, only you will write, yes, I am, no, I am not. But these question answer students, you have to learn. Okay? Like this. Are you a boy? No, I am not. Are you a girl? Yes, I am. Are you Sarahan? No, I am not. Are you Zev? Yes, I am. Okay. Now read aloud. Dictation words. There are only 4 words. Okay. Dress. What is this? Dress. 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 Glass. 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 Miss Reyes. Miss. MISS. Miss RIAZ. Reyes. Miss Reyes. Class. 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 Okay. Now read with me. Dress. Dress. Glass. Glass. Miss Reyes. Miss Reyes. Class. Class. Okay. In all words you can see double S. So I will show you picture of these words and then I will ask from you. Read aloud. Now look at this one. What is this? Is it a shirt or dress? What is this? This is a dress. So what is this? Dress. Now number 2. What is this? Is it a ball or is it a glass? What is this? Glass. Glass. Now look at this one. Is she a policeman or teacher? She is a teacher and you will say Miss Reyes. Okay. Now look at this picture. What is this? Class. What is this? Class. Okay. Okay, students. Now look at this page, page number 14. This is your workbook for practice. Parveen, this is your workbook. Item number 9 and 10. You have studied in detail in your book. Now we will do this workbook. Okay. Now look at number 1. Is this a tab? First look at this picture. Is this a tab? So this is a tab. You will write here, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Also, these are question answers, but you have to complete, you have to fill these blanks. Number 2, is this a bicycle? You can see here in this picture. What is this? This is a bicycle. So you will write here, yes, it is. You will write here, yes, it is. Now number 3, is this a saucer? You can see here, and also you have seen in book. Item number 19, item number 9. Is this a saucer? Yes, it is. You will write here, yes, it is. Look at this picture. Pen. What is this? Pen. So question is this a pen? Yes, it is. Now number 5. What is this? Bowl. Bowl. So question is this a bowl? Is this a ball? Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Now number 6. What is this? Handkerchief. What is this? Handkerchief. Now question is this a handkerchief? Answer will be yes, it is. Now number 7. What is this? You can see here. What is this? Telephone. So is this a telephone? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Now number 8. What is this? Shop or school? This is a school. You can see here. So question is this a school? And answer will be yes, it is. Understand? Now listen again. Is this a tap? Yes, it is. Is this a bicycle? Yes, it is. Is this a saucer? Yes, it is. Is this a pen? Yes, it is. Is this a ball? Yes, it is. Is this a handkerchief? Yes, it is. Okay. Now number 7. Is this a telephone? Yes, it is. Number 8. Is this a school? Yes, it is. Okay, students, you have to do in your workbook. Now number 15, page number 15, same item number 9 and 10. Question is this an ice cream? Is this an ice cream? No, it is not. It is a sweet. Now number 2. What will come here? Is this a sweet? No, it is not. It is an ice cream. Okay. Now number 3. What is this? Teapot. Now question is this a saucer? No, it is not. It is a teapot. Okay. Now number 4. Is this a cake? No, it is not. It is a lamp. Okay. Now number 5. Is he a postman? No, he is not. He is a policeman. Now number 6. Teacher. Is he a policeman? No, he is not. She is a teacher. Okay. Listen again. Number 1. What is this? Sweet. Sweet. And there is one question. Is this an ice cream? So first you will write no, it is not. Then you will write it is a sweet. And number 2. Also here is ice cream. Question is this a sweet? So this is not a sweet. Then you will write first no, it is not. It is an ice cream. Number 3. Teapot. Okay. Question is this a saucer? This is not a saucer. Then you will write no, it is not. It is a teapot. Number 4. What is this? Lamp. Now question is this a cake? No, it is not. It is a lamp. Now number 5. Policeman. Now question is he a postman? No, he is not. He is a policeman. Number 6. Teacher. Is he a policeman? Also here you can write she. Okay. He or she, anyone you can write. Is he a policeman? No, he is not. She is a teacher. Okay, this is your homework. Workbook page number 14 and 15. Do in your book. Your homework is memorize, read aloud words from page number 25. You can see here, page number 25. These words you have to learn. Dress, glass, misrias, and class. Okay. Write these words. Listen again. Dress, glass, misrias, and class. Okay, and also do your workbook. Page number 14 and page number 15. Now this is your point. Months of Islam. These are the months of Islam. Islamic months. Okay. Now students, listen this poem and then learn it.
محرم صفر ربيع الأول ربيع الثاني في زمن الإسلام جماد الأولى جماد الأخرى رجب بن شعبان رمضان 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 شوال ذو القعدة ذو الحجة في زمن الإسلام محرم صفر ربيع الأول ربيع الثاني في زمن الإسلام جماد الأولى جماد الأخرى رجب بن شعبان رمضان 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 شوال ذو القعدة ذو الحجة في زمن الإسلام.
Okay, students, learn this poem and enjoy your Eid vacations. Allah Hafiz.